This is Amy. You might remember her from such films as Scaring Amy and Last Night I Wet Myself, starring Amy. Today we are going to be taking a puzzle apart. That puzzle. That is Amy. She will be taking apart that puzzle. That puzzle will be taken apart by Amy. Amy, would you like to take the puzzle apart?
Yes.
Well, you're not allowed. Ha 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 ha! I got you. You thought you weren't allowed. Ah, prank. Are you ready? Go on then. Go on then. Talk us through what you're doing. What's your technique?
I don't have no tickers.
How are you doing it?
Just go straight in.
What are you doing?
Pulling it apart.
Oh, mate. You really destroyed that. You wrecked that like a prostitute's vagine after a 50-man train. That's not having babies anymore. That's about as ruined as an 80s pop star's career after Operation U-Tree. You liked that one, didn't you? You liked that one? Because they weren't all guilty. Only the naughty ones. That's about as messed up as Jedward having a career.
Oh, God.
That's more confused than Katie Price's plastic surgery. What? It's like what was left after Mount St. Etna went boom. That was a place in America, volcano. But you knew that, didn't you? You knew that. That's the last thing they saw in Pompeii. Because they got covered with another volcano.
I knew that.
Yeah, I'm sure you did. What is it called? What is the volcano called?
Vesuvian?
Yeah, it was. Oh. She's finished.
Romeo done.
It looks like what Grant left in his trousers in that episode of Ghost Hunters where they heard the big cannon go boom. Not Grant, Jason. Oh, it's the other one. I got it wrong. It was Sorry, Grant, you didn't shit yourself. Jason did. Taps. Atlantic Paranormal Society. Ghost Hunters. So, Amy, how do you feel now you've wrecked that like Peter Andre wrecked Jordan?
Alive.
You feel alive?
Top of the world.
Oh, you're not Leo DiCaprio. Oh,
Rejoiced.
that's what sunk the Titanic. It weren't an iceberg, it was Leo DiCaprio's ego. Oh no, he said it. Oh, you're taking your time with that, ain't you?
Oh no, I've only got little hands.
Well, you know what they say about people with little hands, don't you?
Small gloves.
No, they can't hold a car tyre in one.
No, neither can anyone with a big hand.
I can hold a car tyre in one hand. Because you put your finger in the hole and you're like, oh, and you hold it. You hold it. But you can't do that because your hands ain't big enough to go in. You can't get a finger in that hole.
I can get my finger in the hole, but not lift.
Oh, you just said you can finger a hole, but you can't lift it. She's telling us about her technique for changing a car tyre. A car tyre. Nothing else. She wasn't talking about putting her finger all the way in and squashing a donut. It was a car tyre. Now, Amy, for your adoring fans of your works, such as Scaring Amy and Last Night I Peed on My Boyfriend, what are your final thoughts?
Then we need to crack on to the next one.
You're going to say goodbye to your people? You're just going to tell them they're crackers?
Bye everyone. Thanks for tuning in. Till next time.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
You've not done this before, have you? It shows. It shows. Like a virgin in an orgy. You don't know what you're doing.